So in this video I'm going to show you how to change this grab handle, the ones that always seem to melt. Now the rear ones are exactly the same on your rear cards. It's exact same handle, and the rear ones are always in better condition because they're not used as much. So these are pretty easy to find. I recommend DJS Auto parts. You can find them on eBay and Facebook and all that. He's always got them in stock. He keeps the good ones. So hit him up if you need the handle. If not, you got to try and find a rear handle off a good door card. You don't need a lot of tools to do it. Depending on the year of your territory, some use T20 Torx bits and some just use plain old Phillips heads. You need a small screwdriver, big screwdriver, a soldering iron, and another zip tie, just a zip tie. Remove the front door card. You got to pop the cover off that, remove the window switch, pop the cover off that, undo that screw, remove the handle, and then you got to undo the screw on the side, screws at the bottom, and then when you pull the door card off, you got to disconnect this one. This one's a bit of a pain to disconnect. Now when you flip the door card, you can see where the handle screws in, but you can also see the 4 plastic welds. So they're held on by them as well. So what you need to do is take your soldering iron and you've got to melt them so that the handle will then come off. Now you want to take your good door handle and plastic weld it back into the driver's door card. Now this one here, it hasn't got enough plastic around it, so that's what the zip tie is for. Melt some of the zip tie in there. Let them sit for a little while. And then you should have no problems picking it up by the handle. Up how to change your door handle for a better one. It's nice and strong done like that. And you can see here, it's another little tip, I wrap my silver bits in like just a carbon fibre 3D wrap. You can use any kind of wrap. Some of those handles bubble and go to crap as well, so it's a nice way to freshen that up. And then this is my car for the track, so I use it on the other interior parts as well. Heat gun comes in handy. But yeah, hope this video helps people out.